The Volkswagen Group consists of more than 100 plants worldwide and sold in 2025 nearly 9 million cars. And we are scaling generative AI use cases to all our production sites worldwide. We are building together with AWS the so-called Genius. The main vision of the Genius is to provide self-services for our employees so that they can build their own agents, that they can interact with the data consumed on the digital production platform, so that they are able to build their environment with AI in their processes. As we build the digital production platform together with AWS, we have implemented a central data management that is run by Amazon SageMaker Unified Studio. This provides the Genius with trusted data that we can use to give value to our customers. The impact of the Genius is quite impressive. We are able to reduce the development costs and also the operational costs. And one of the most successful advantages is the ease of the rollout or deployment of use cases. For example, the maintenance chatbot, we rolled it out in more than 10 plants. And in December 2025, we did this within 3 weeks. For 8 plants. The AWS services we use inside our Genius platform are, for example, Amazon Bedrock for our Gen AI models, then the AWS Lambda for serverless infrastructure, for our graph system, the Neptune, and for advanced document extraction, for example, AWS Textract. The vision of the Genius team for the future is a platform consisting of generative AI, analytical AI, and physical AI.